Hello everyone, I'm Meysam Abedi. We are Group 9. Our team members are Jiyoung, Lassi, Jasu, Manish, Samo, and Risto, Germanian, and me. Our project is called Quick Bite, a food order application UI design. Today we will talk about our design tasks and UI design tool review, design generation, history evaluation, result, and future development ideas. Our task was to design a vault-like app for food ordering. Our goal was simple, make ordering food clear and fast. We want to show clear images and prices and allows say customization like adding extra cheese and only show option step by step, not everything at once. This helps user to focus and order quickly. This slide show an example of Vault. We use it as an idea to guide our own design. We test the tool USART AI. It helps create UI quickly by giving a project description and choosing a style. Strengths very fast, only few minutes. Easy to make interactive prototypes and has many templates and images. Weaknesses, some feature need payment and hard to find AI tools on the screen sometimes. Here are some UI screen with made with USART AI, main page, menu page, order summary page, and UI design tool review ChatGPT. We also test ChatGPT for UI design. We described what we want and it made some strengths and weaknesses. Strengths, for example, super fast, few seconds, just few seconds, easy to ask more question and edit, and free to use. Weaknesses, for example, design are only symbols and text, not pretty, and it needs a lot of manual work to make it ready. Here are some wireframes we made with ChatGPT: main page, menu page, and order tracking page. We compared both tools. USART has better design and many templates. ChatGPT is faster but needs more editing. USART gives interactive prototypes and ChatGPT gives simple wireframes. And with USART we made landing page, for example search categories and nearby restaurants, and menu page, for example we can see items, price, add to cart, and order summary page, total price, payment, and addresses.
Here is the heuristic evaluation results. Heuristic evaluation was done in two different phases, self-evaluation and peer evaluation. Self-evaluation was done by all members of the group independently. Right table shows the result of self-evaluation findings. We tried to find different usability issues for each design and match those with Nelson's heuristic violate. You can see what kind of usability issues identified for each design. Finally, design A has three different Nelson's heuristic violate: usability of system status, error prevention, and user control and freedom. Design B had also three different Nelson's heuristic violate: match between system and the real world, aesthetic and minimalist design, and recognition rather than recall. Design C had uh, also three different Nelson's heuristics violate: visibility of system status, consistency and standards, and feedback. Peer evaluation was done by three different users outside of the course. Here's the evaluator's information. First user, male, 27 years. He uses delivery application a lot, 4 or 5 times weekly. User 2, she is female, 27 years old, uses delivery application 3 times per week. Last user, female, 24 years, she uses delivery application 1 time every couple of weeks. Similarly, right table shows the peer evaluation finding results. You can read the usability issues identified for each design. Uh, Nelson's heuristic violate for each design is like this. Design A, generated by Wizard AI, had some heuristic violate, like recognize rather than recall, visibility of system status. Design B, generated by ChatGPT, had three different Nelson's heuristics violate: match between system and the real world, aesthetic and minimalist design, and recognition rather than recall. Last, Design C, manually done by our members with PowerPoint, had three different Nelson's heuristics violate: flexibility and efficiency of use, consistency and standards, and recognition rather than recall. Based on this heuristic evaluation phase, we chose best design among three candidates, and the best one was chosen as Design A, generated by Wizard AI. Design A had the fewest usability issues compared to the other two designs, and the evaluation process involved systematically assessing each design against established usability heuristics, consistency, error prevention, and user control. Despite a few usability problems, Design A stood out in both usability and in visuals, and the few usability issues could be fixed in later iterative redesign. Here's the summary of the strengths of the Design A generated by Wizard AI. First, significantly more realistic and professional than the others. Second, most user-friendly design with clear, straightforward design, which is based on a familiar food ordering layout. Lastly, structure and layout are already closer to a final product, which makes the designers easy to refine.
Here you can see our final high fidelity UI design with every addition we did during the iterative redesign step. And to improve the overall user experience, several interface elements were redesigned with clarity and usability in mind. We added elements like many undo or edit options, go back buttons like leave or back with intuitive arrow icons, also change options buttons like changing the quantity of each product were also added to the design. The previous UI generated by Wizard AI didn't include the address settings UI. Therefore, only with that design, it seems to lack clear error prevention on the address editing screen. And to address this, we added a detailed address setting UI with meaningful functions like setting the address with map, searching street name and building number. also added missing information for text was added to the category on the main screen, also delivery time or takeaway time feature, which is quite important for this kind of food delivery app. And these were added to main menu, restaurant information, and information part of the restaurant's menu screen. Then for our results and findings for this project, integrating AI into the design process of user interfaces changes many steps of the more traditional design way. And we found out that the best way to use AI methods is to use them alongside more traditional manual methods. AI can create fast, like base designs, which then human work is needed for refining those. Neither of the AI tools we used in this project proved to be quite enough on their own. AI is a helpful tool, but not a master. You can't do yet, at least, everything with just AI. The heuristic evaluations based on Nielsen's usability principles helped us to uncover the issues in the AI-generated designs. And for the main takeaways we found from this project are that AI tools are especially helpful in generating base designs and freeing the designer from repetitive tasks. Using the iterative heuristical refinement helped to get the AI-based designs up to standards. And trying different design methods allows us to have a bigger design space than just sticking to one, and the need of human oversight to spot what the AI designs lack. Thank you.